Patented and patent-pending Syncor serves the architects, millworks, and door manufacturing industries to provide the largest insulated, sound-deadening door panel to build the best large door panels, door cores, door blanks, and door substrates. Invented and built right here in the United States of America. An environmentally friendly, renewably sourced technology that is high precision. Our cores provide the strongest structure strength without the weight of conventional door core, which is not stable when you build a very large door. Conventional large door core is too unstable, heavy to maneuver, move, and store, especially large wood-based doors. Our technology has enriched all kinds of industries. Virtually any industry can benefit by using this eco-friendly, renewable material to solve all problems with weight, structure strength, lack of insulation, warping, twisting, bending, and cracking. Materials include wood, plastic, metal, fiberglass, and laminates. By using our patented and patent-pending technology, we're able to provide high-end door designers and manufacturers with a service to solve these problems, reduce weight, eliminate warping, increase insulation, and enhance strength. The most important factor is keeping materials dimensionally stable, which means superior flatness. Of all the applications, Syncor panel substrates are most effective in very large door applications. By using our technology and our panel substrates, the top architects and millworks can build any size door. As an alternative to conventional oversized and ultra-oversized doors which have issues with staying straight, our panels stay straight, strong, and are lighter than any of the competition. With Syncor, you don't have to worry about your oversized doors being too heavy or too hard to manage. For the widest pivot doors, the lightest sliding doors and metal doors, the most rigid pocket doors, and the largest French doors imaginable, Syncor panel substrates are your choice. At Syncor, we make the impossible possible for high-end architects, millworks, and door manufacturers. Syncor's revolutionary technologies are handcrafted right here in the United States of America. Syncor also offers a 50-year warp-free guarantee backed by the best product. We're the only company that provides a 50-year guarantee on our door core and door substrates. From Seattle tech giants to the One World Trade Center, Syncor is your source for the best large doors on the planet. Visit Syncor.com for more information.